I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Honda Pilot key fob. First, gather all key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. It's also important to close all doors and windows completely before you begin. This ensures the system can properly initialize and recognize the new programming sequence. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's get your Pilot into programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Within 5 seconds, press the lock button on one of your key fobs. Then, turn the key to OFF. You'll need to repeat this on, lock, OFF sequence 3 more times. This rapid sequence signals the car's computer to enter the programming state. Once you've completed the 4 cycles, the door locks should cycle, indicating the vehicle is in programming mode. Now, within 5 seconds, press the lock button on each key fob you want to program, including any existing ones. The door locks will cycle again after each successful programming. After programming all your fobs, turn the ignition to the OFF position to exit the mode. Test each fob to ensure it works correctly. After exiting programming mode, it's crucial to test every key fob to ensure they all work as expected. Try locking and unlocking the doors with each one. If any fob isn't working, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire programming procedure from the beginning, paying close attention to the timing. Also, for some great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your key fobs working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.